Resident Welfare Associations or RWAs across Delhi begin a satyagraha and fasting on Gandhi Jayanti. They're demanding a review and disclosure of the privatization deal on power between the government and DISCOMs.
Sheila Dikshit may have taken a sigh of relief too early, just when the government thought it had solved the standoff in the capital. Resident welfare associations are ready with another campaign. They are on Satyagraha from today, demanding a review of the privatization deal struck by the Delhi government with the BSES and NDPL or the DISCOMs in 2002. Residents are also demanding a disclosure of the annual revenue requirement that forecasts the estimated profit expected by the end of the year.
सत्याग्रह के लिए हम लोग हर RWA एक दिन के लिए फास्ट करेंगे. एक नॉमिनेटेड पर्सन सुबह से स्टार्ट होकर और शाम को 4, साढ़े 4 या 5 बजे एक प्रोटेस्ट और पब्लिक मीटिंग के साथ वो उस फास्ट का अंत होगा और अगले दिन एक और RWA दिल्ली की इसको आगे ले जाएगी और इसी तरह से ये चलता रहेगा.
On Saturday, the residents staged a rally in the capital, shouting slogans accusing the government of a failed privatization deal.
It was a rational on part of the government to bring privatization. Was Delhi Vidyut Board deliberately made sick so that private players could come into force? So what is the truth? The Satyagraha for me is know the truth. Not just for us, but for the entire citizens of Delhi.
बिलिंग डिफेक्टिव है और ज़बरदस्ती ये कंज्यूमर के साथ कर रहे हैं. कोई जस्टिस नहीं है. इसके अगेंस्ट हमारा कल सत्याग्रह शुरू हो रहा है. थ्रू आउट दिल्ली ये सत्याग्रह चलेगा ही और 30 जनवरी तक जिस दिन गांधी जी की डेथ हुई थी उस दिन तक ये सत्याग्रह हमारा चलेगा.
In September, the residents had taken to the streets protesting the 10% hike in power tariff. And now in the second phase, they say their Gandhian way of asking for a review of the privatization agreement will give their demands just the right impetus for their campaign on the Mahatma's birthday. Sucheta Kulkarni, New Delhi for NDTV.